install VMware tools on Ubuntu Studio. So I have the tar file on my desktop. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to select the tar file and select extract. It's open to my home directory. We'll go ahead and extract it there. Done. Click on Greg, the home directory. There's the extracted file. Now I've found the Perl script that's gonna install the VMware tools. I'll right mouse click on it, select properties, and I'm gonna grab the location of the file. Now we're in the terminal. Let's switch to the sudo user. We're now in the root user, and we're going to paste in the location of the file that we need, and we're going to copy the name of the executable script. Let's go ahead and run it. We'll just hit enter on all of these options here, and it's going to go ahead and install. Alright, the VMware tools are now installed on Ubuntu Linux Studio.